Hey everyone, it's Coach Jen, and today I want to talk to you about something that can really transform your fat loss journey. We all know that eating right is important, but did you know that protein can actually make a huge difference on how effectively you lose fat? Let's dive into protein and why it is so essential and how you can actually incorporate more of it into your diet. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button to receive nutrition tips and strategies that are going to make your fat loss journey easier and faster. So, first let's discuss why protein matters. When you're on a fat loss journey, your goal is to lose fat while building and retaining muscle. And that's where protein really comes in. Protein, it helps to keep your muscles intact even when you're in a calorie deficit. Plus, did you know that protein has a higher thermic effect compared to fats and carbs when it comes to digestion? So this means your body actually burns more calories just by digesting protein. So not only are you getting the key nutrient necessary for you to see more muscle definition even as you lose weight, but you're also burning more calories in the process, which is also going to help your metabolism and how many calories you burn per day in total. So that being said, protein actually burns about 20 to 30% of the calories taken in from protein, when carbs only burn about 5 to 10% and fat only burns about 0 to 3%. So what this looks like is if you eat 100 calories from protein or carbs or fat. So let's say you have 100 calories of protein, 100 calories of carbs, 100 calories of fats. 20 to 30 of those 100 calories will actually be burned during digestion. 5 to 10 calories of carbs will be burned during digestion, and 0 to 3 calories of fat will be burned during digestion. So you actually burn more calories simply by eating more protein per day. The second benefit that you get whenever you're eating more protein is that protein actually helps in terms of satiety and allowing you to feel full. Something that we experience when we are on a fitness journey is that we have hunger and cravings. So this is where protein really comes in and really shines. Studies show that higher protein diets can actually help you feel fuller for longer periods, which means that you are having fewer cravings and less snacking throughout the day. So the benefits that you're going to see is that you're going to burn more calories without extra effort. You're going to stay fuller for longer, which also means less snacking, and you're going to build more muscle, which means you have a higher metabolism. That's also more muscle for your body, means that you're going to be burning more calories simply because you have more muscle. And overall, you're going to stay more consistent on your fitness journey whenever you're not snacking or going over on your calories as much every single day. So that being said, protein has a ton of benefits that are going to help you on your fitness journey. But how much protein should you be eating? Well, that's a great question. When it comes to calculating out your protein, what you want to do is you want to aim for 1 gram of protein per pound of ideal body weight. Now, you can go to your Google, your internet browser, and just type ideal body weight formula female, okay? And what it is for every 5 feet, so you're going to start at 5 foot, that is 100 pounds. Then you're going to, for every inch over 5 foot, add 5 pounds. So I'm 5'7", which means 5 foot is 100, 7 inches, I add 5 pounds for the 7 inches, so I'll do 7 times 5, and that's 35. So my ideal body weight would be 135 pounds. And the same thing for you, maybe you're 5'4", you would do 5 foot, which is 100, 4 inches, so you do 4 times 5, which is going to be 120. And then after that, you can do a range of plus or minus 10. So an example is I'm 5'7", 135 pounds, plus or minus 10, which is 125 to 145. But I like to keep protein pretty simple and just do the simple 1 gram per pound of ideal body weight. So mine would be 135, so I aim for 135 grams of protein per day. Now, that being said, When it comes to increasing your protein intake, this is where a lot of people can struggle. You can go to my page here at Jen Wall Fitness on Instagram. I do have information on different recipes that you can try that are high protein recipes. I have a macro cheat sheet on there. And you can go to these sources that I have on my Instagram page to be able to figure out how you can increase that protein intake. My simple tip for you is just realizing or figuring out what are my protein sources. Maybe you eat eggs for breakfast, maybe eggs and sausage, maybe you eat chicken for lunch and maybe a red meat for dinner or a fish for dinner, etc. Whatever it is that you currently have as your protein sources, just increase the amount of that protein. So maybe you have 2 eggs for breakfast, maybe do 2 eggs and some egg whites. Maybe it's eggs and sausage, so increase the amount of eggs or the amount of sausage or both. Maybe you have chicken at lunch. Instead of doing 2 ounces, maybe do 3 ounces. Same thing for dinner. If you have, red meat or another like fish for dinner, etc., then again, increase the amount that you're eating, maybe from 2 to 3 ounces. So that's an easy way. And then also incorporate more snacks throughout your day. So maybe Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, protein bars, shakes, quick and easy protein sources. Have maybe 1 or 2 throughout your day. And last but not least, eat the protein on your plate first. Make sure that you actually get that protein in before you start filling up on the other foods on your plates. So pretty simple, pretty easy. Check out my Instagram. Again, it's at Jen Wall Fitness. You'll find a ton of nutrition tips and recipes on there as well too that I share on Instagram with other ideas to help keep you on track. So to recap, increase your protein intake and that'll help preserve your muscle, boost your metabolism, and keep you feeling full. Aim for 1 gram per pound of ideal body weight. And I challenge you to try increasing that protein portion at every meal that you have. If you have any favorite high protein meals or questions about incorporating more protein into your day, just let me know. Leave a comment down below or reach out to me on Instagram. You know where to find me. That's everything that I have for you today. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content. And let's crush those goals together.